Okay, so this is a real quick tutorial on creating like a simple drum kit. Now it's not gonna be the most professional, but it'll work. The first thing you wanna do is go to the main kind of root of the whole project and scroll down until you find the linked frameworks library. You're gonna click on that plus. You're gonna choose AV Foundation. So I've already linked to that, so I'm not gonna link to it again. But that library allows us to deal with audio, video, all that cool stuff. We're gonna go down to viewcontroller.h. And you can see on my left side I have all my bass drum sounds in, and I also have a picture of a drum kit. First thing you're going to want to do in viewcontroller.h is import that AV Foundation H. So say I want this file to use this. We're going to want to go ahead and create an element, so an audio player element. So you're going to probably need one of these for each of the different symbols, that kind of stuff. This one's just showing getting the bass drum in. The IB action, we don't have to worry about that quite yet. If we go to our storyboard, we're going to drag the image on the background, create a round rect button. Once we have that round rect button, we're going to change it from round rect to a custom, and that gives it that clear background. And then for the title, we're going to take the word button out. We're going to click on our assistant editor up here, so our little tuxedo guy. And you can see I've already got it linked up, but to link it, you just control drag. So I have an outlet, it's an action, and then you give it a title. I called mine play bass drum. You're going to want to connect that. I already have it connected, so don't need to do that. Once you have that done, we're going to go back to the main view, go to viewcontroller.m, and we're on the home stretch. We need to initialize our sound, so we need to say where is this audio file that this player is going to play. So we're going to do ns bundle main bundle, which means this stuff over here. It's going to say URL for resource. We're going to use the bass drum file, so this bass drum file, and as extension MP3. Then I'm going to go ahead and set up that audio player to play this URL. So I'm going to say AV audio player alloc, which creates space for that audio player, and init with contents of URL base location, which is this URL right here, and the error nil. We're going to live dangerously. So there we go. Now we go down here. We have this action that we created from control clicking, and basically we want to say that audio player, we want to set its timeline back to 0, so we're going to go back to the beginning. So if you tap real quickly, we want that original little hit of the drum. Then also we want to go ahead and play the sound, and that's it. Once you have that, we can go ahead and try running it. All right.